हरि ओम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. In this series today, chapter 1, shloka number 36. निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतान् आततायिनः. Yesterday we saw that Arjuna said to Krishna, I cannot kill my very own, my relatives, my grandfathers, my sons, my grandsons, my teachers, my uncles, my friends. Killing all these and then obtaining all riches and wealth. No, I don't need that. Even if the three worlds are offered to me, I am not ready to do it. Even if I am killed, I just don't care. I will not do it. I don't need any pleasures associated with being a king. I don't even want to live by killing all my dear ones, said Arjuna to Krishna. Now, today he continues. Nihatya dharta rashtra'n naha ka priti syat janardana. Krishna, what happiness are we going to get by killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? What is it there in it for us? We don't actually want to kill them. Papameva ashrayed asman hatva etan atatayinaha. Atatayinaha means Agnido garadaschaiva shastrapanir dhanapakaha kshetra dharapa hartacha shadete hyatatayinaha. One who sets fire, one who gives poison, one who poisons somebody, one who holds a weapon in his hand and tries to kill somebody, one who usurps somebody else's wealth, one who usurps somebody else's land, and one who usurps somebody else's wife. All these six are called Atatayins. Here, these Kauravas, they are guilty of all the six. Even if somebody commits one among these six, then he is a Atatayi. But now all the 6 these Kauravas have committed. First, set fire. They tried to burn the Pandavas alive in the Lakshagriha. Next, poison somebody. They tried to poison Bhima when they went for Vanabhojana. Next is holding a weapon and trying to kill. Here they have all assembled and they are also guilty of that crime. Then the next is usurping somebody else's wealth, usurping somebody else's land, everything they are guilty of. They have done that during the game of dice. They have usurped everything that belonged to the Pandavas by cheating them. Then trying to get hold of somebody else's wife. They tried to disrobe Draupadi in the open court. So these Kauravas, they are guilty of all the 6 mentioned. So they are Atatayis, no doubt. Now Arjuna says, by killing these Atatayis, we will be incurring only sin. Actually, the Shastra says, without any second thoughts, you can kill an Atatayi. That's what the Shastra says. Sridhara Swami in his commentary says, the Artha Shastra says, an Atatayi is to be killed without any sort of contemplation or without any deliberation upon it. And you will not incur any sin for that. But the Dharma Shastra says you should not kill anybody. And Dharma Shastra is more powerful than Artha Shastra. It has to be given more importance. So here Arjuna says, they may be Atatayis, but still by killing them we are only going to incur sin. And for this very same shloka, Anandagiri Tika, it says, we will become Atatayis now if we kill them in this war. By killing our own brothers, teachers and elders of the family, we become Atatayis and so we'll incur sin. So, it is definitely good for us to refrain from killing any of our relatives, refrain from fighting this war. Next shloka. Tasmannarha vayam hantum dhartarashtran swabandhavan swajanam hi katham hatva sukinasyama madhava. Tasmannarha vayam hantum dhartarashtran swabandhavan. So, it is definitely not at all right on our part to kill our very own relatives. No, we should not do that. By killing our very own, how can we be happy? Today we may just kill. We have all assembled here for the war. We may kill them. But can we be happy later on? Will our conscience be clear? Seeing the ladies of that family, their children, their people of their kingdom, how will we feel? How can we be happy? Should we not think about the consequences? Next shloka. यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रदोहे च पातकं यद्यपि एतेन पश्यन्ति okay fine they are unable to see they are blinded by their greed for wealth and riches lobhopahata chetasaha totally greed has robbed them of all thinking so they are unable to see the dangers the consequences of destroying whole lineages entire lineage families totally destroying them what great losses that means they are unable to think about it mitra drohe cha patakam they just are not bothered that they are now being disloyal to their own friends they are trying to harm their own friends they are cheating their friends but they are not bothered about that they are not able to see it but katham nanyeyam asmabhihi पापादस्मान् निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन but we Krishna do we not see all these do we not know that destroying entire families the lineage is a big sin. We know that. We know what is dharma, we know what is adharma. We know the consequences of everything. And knowing everything, should we not refrain from committing this fearsome act? This adharmic act? Should we not refrain from it? Asks Arjuna to Krishna. Then the coming shlokas, they describe the dangers of destroying entire families and all that. We'll see that tomorrow. We'll stop with this for today. Hari Om.